Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag is here to save the day, making lost items a thing of the past. This tiny, powerful Bluetooth tracker from Apple integrates seamlessly with your iPhone, offering unparalleled peace of mind. Its standout feature, precision finding, uses Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your misplaced items with incredible accuracy. No more guessing games. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just one tap on your iPhone instantly pairs it, getting you tracking in seconds. Worried about splashes or dust? The AirTag is IP67 water and dust resistance, so it can handle everyday adventures without a problem. Unlike generic trackers, the AirTag leverages Apple's massive Find My network, allowing millions of Apple devices worldwide to help locate your AirTag even if it's far away. If you're ready to upgrade your tracking game and stop wasting time searching, click the link in the description to check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon. For anyone looking for the ultimate solution to find lost items, this Apple gadget is a game changer and an essential electronics purchase for 2025. It's compact, incredibly accurate, and built with Apple's signature quality, ensuring your valuables are always within reach. Don't wait to experience the relief of always knowing where your belongings are. Grab your Apple AirTag today.